Hello children, have you read the lesson? Very interesting, na? Yes. Now here the remaining grammar part, vocabulary part we can see from this lesson. Honesty of shoe shine boy. Okay ma. So now see the first part we have vocabulary part. Vocabulary part. So what do we have vocabulary words here? First word is yes, torture. First word is torture. Torture means suffering. So we suffer a lot, that we can call it torture. So torture means suffering. And second word ma, survival. Survival. Survival means to survive, to live. So living. Survival means living. And the next one, orphan boys. Orphan boys means who are here? Yes, boys who have no parents. Boys who have no parents, those we call it orphan boys. Okay, Nana? Trio. Trio. Pair or a trio. Pair means two members. Trio means three members. So group of three members, that we call it trio. And next word is yes, purposely. Purposely means knowingly or intentionally or wantedly. Knowingly or intentionally or wantedly. Okay. And next one is grab means yes, to take it. Grab it means take it. And lodge means to register. Lodge a complaint means register a complaint. So lodge means here, of course, general lodges means hotels to book the rooms. That is also we have lodges we have. But here lodge means here complaint, register a complaint. So to register. And the next word is felicitate. Felicitate means to honor. Okay, felicitate means to honor. Almost all these words you got while we are doing the lesson, right? So once again learn these meanings of the words. Okay, Nana. Let's see the next topic. See the next topic ma. What do we have? Yes, grammatical structure. What do we have the next topic ma? Grammatical structure. Grammatical structure. So what do we have in the grammatical structure today? Yes, we have prepositions. What do we have? Prepositions. So what are these prepositions? What are these prepositions? So that is prepositions already you know, in, on, off, for, like this we have prepositions. Na? So what are these prepositions? Prepositions are nothing but the relation between noun and other words of the sentence. Noun and other words. Subject and object we can call it, or noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Okay ma? So the prepositions link noun or pronoun, and phrases to other words. Phrases to other words of a sentence. Other words within a sentence. Within a sentence. So in the given sentence, preposition is nothing but giving the link between noun and other phrase or noun and phrase of the sentence, or pronoun and phrase of other part in the sentence. Okay, phrase to other words within a sentence. So in the given sentence, noun or pronoun and with other words in a sentence, which gives the link means nothing but preposition. So that's why these prepositions are called relating words. So here, because relation between noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Okay, noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. So between these, the relation is given by prepositions. That's why these are called relating words. Prepositions are also called relating words. Okay, because they are giving the relation from noun or pronoun and phrase of the other words in the sentence, in the given sentence. Okay, ma'am. So that link we can call it, a relation we can call it. But here one more point you can see. Here only we have prepositions. Preposition, position before. So where is the position of the noun? Noun or pronoun position also we can understand by the prepositions. So that's why one more say, some people they say preposition means nothing but position of a noun or pronoun. Position of a noun or pronoun. Suppose a book is on the table. So a book is suppose if I write a book is on the table. On the table. So here this on is giving the relation between a book and a table. Where is the book? On the table. But it is under the table or on the table, the position it is explaining. Okay, Nana? That's one thing. And the link between noun and other word in the sentence is given by the preposition. Okay, Nana? So it's a relation between subject and other words in a sentence. That is called preposition. That is called preposition. So what do we have here? Read these sentences, Nana. What do we have? Neha sits beside me in the class. Neha sits beside. So what is the position word here? Beside. So here Neha, where Neha sat? Beside, the position of. Okay, relation between Neha and in the class with the word preposition, that is beside. Okay, Nana? And I would like to have biscuits with tea. I would like to have biscuits with tea. So the relation between biscuits and tea. Yes, we are having the biscuits along with tea. So that's why with is also preposition. Okay, ma'am. And next one, what we have? I would come within 10 minutes. So after or before, or what is that? Within 10 minutes. So when could I come? 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, the relation it is giving, that is how much time exactly before only we can understand. So the relation it is giving. And the frog jumped into the pond. The frog jumped where? The position. Into the pond. So that's why it is called preposition. And next one, Namita goes to school with me. Namita goes to school with me. Yes, where is she going? To school. To school. So to is the preposition with, along with whom? With me. So the relation. So you and I, we are going. So that we can say along with me. And the mosquitoes are flying over your head. Where are those? The position over your head. So that's why over is also preposition. Okay, Nana? And next one, Ravi is standing between Shreya and Prem. Where was he? Between Shreya and Prem. So the position here telling by between. So between is a preposition. Next one, Nana. I will go to the park at 5 p.m. I will go to the park. Where do you go? To the park. To. So to is also preposition. Relation to you and the park. You are going there. So that's why to the park. That is giving the relation. That's why to is the preposition here. So what are the list of prepositions you see, Nana? Beside, with, within, into, to, with, over, between, to. So like this we have in the given sentences some prepositions, but some other exercise also we have. Shall we do the exercise by using the prepositions? Right? Ready to do it? Very good. So let's start the exercise. See the children, exercise. Let's start writing the answers for exercise part. What do we have, ma? Fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. Fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. Okay, ma. So what do we have? See the first one, ma. See the first one. The kite flew. The kite flew dash the tree. The kite flew dash the tree. So that is out of the tree. That means above the tree, right? Above we can write, or over the tree also we can write. But generally for this the place it is indication. So we can write above the tree. The kite flew above the tree. Okay, Nana? Can you give me the answers like this? Okay, very good. So see the, tell me, see the second one. Sanjana is proud. Sanjana is proud dash her beauty. Sanjana is proud dash her beauty. So something happened because of it means what do we use a preposition? Yes, of. So very good. Sanjana is proud of her beauty. Proud of her beauty. Okay, Nana? Okay, no, here we cannot write about her beauty because already she had. Some other thing means about that we can say. But already she had means we can write it proud of her beauty. Okay, Nana? And see the third one, ma. Third one, what do we have? The students will listen. The students will listen dash their teacher. Their teacher. So you are listening to me. So listen, if we get it, listening, 100% we should write preposition. Very good. To. We are listening to. So students will listen to their teacher. Students will listen to their teacher. Okay, Nana? Listen, if we get it, remember that. To compulsory we should write it, Nana. To. Okay. And next one, ma. See the fourth one. I start dash school dash 7:30 a.m. I dash school dash 7:30 a.m. So in the morning you start to school at 7:30 a.m. Yes, we start to school yet, or I start for school we can write it, or I start to school. That's I start to school at 7:30 a.m. At 7:30. Exact time if we get it, compulsory we should write it yet only. At 2 o'clock, at 9 o'clock, at 10 o'clock, at 7:30 a.m. Like this particular time if we get it, generally we write at only, ma. Okay. And next one, ma. See the next one, fifth one, what do we have here? Look dash beauty, the beauty, beautiful scenery. Look dash beautiful, the beautiful scenery. Look dash the beautiful scenery. All of you look at the beautiful scenery. Look at that. But here look, when we get it, to take care of someone means there we should write it look after. Okay, we should look after our parents. We should look after our parents. One should look after one's parents. Look after means taking care of. Taking care of. But here look at the beauty. So see that. For that we can write it. Look at the beautiful scenery. Look at the beautiful scenery. Okay, Nana. And see the next one, ma. The boy jumped. The boy jumped dash the pool. The boy jumped dash the pool. So jumped, it's a moving action. That's why jump into the pool. Jumped into the pool. So here one more clue word also. Jumped off the chair. OFF. Jumped into the pool. So long jumping means we can write it into. Short means OFF off also we write it. Okay. And next one, ma. Seventh one. Next one, what do we have? Who is standing? Who is standing? Dash your father. Dash your father. It's a question mark. So who is there? Who is standing? Where? Dash your father. Dash your father means yes. Standing means beside only, na? Very good. So who is standing beside your father? Who is there? Who stood there? That we are asking. Okay. Who is standing beside your father? And the next one, my eighth one. Father is not. Father is not dash his room. Father is not dash his room. Suppose if you are here, so where are you now? I am in the classroom, right? Here father is not in his room. Got it? Father is not in his room. Okay, ma? And see the next one, ma. Ninth one. Next one. Can you draw a scenery? Can you draw a scenery dash 10 minutes? Dash 10 minutes. So here, can you draw a scenery dash 10 minutes? Exact time if we get it, yet we use it. But here what is that? The work should complete before that. So what can we write it? Within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes. So can you draw a scenery within 10 minutes? Can you complete it within 10 minutes? Yes. So next one, ma. Last one, what do we have? Pratik stays dash a hostel. Where does he stay? He stays in a hostel. So in we should write it. So all these are prepositions only, na? So read the sentence once again. The kite flew above the tree. The kite flew over the tree or above the tree. Generally above here we write. And Sanjana is proud of her beauty. Sanjana is proud of her beauty. And next one, students will listen to their teacher. You are listening to me. So students will listen to their teacher. And I start to school at 7:30 a.m. Okay, I start to school at 7:30 a.m. And look at the beautiful scenery. Look at that. Look at the picture. So look at the blackboard. Look at the beautiful scenery. Okay, look means generally to see something means at we get it. So the boy jumped into the pool. The boy jumped into the pool. And who is standing beside your father? Who is standing beside your father? Next one, my father is not in his room. The father is not in his room. And can you draw a scenery within 10 minutes? Some particular time before it complete means within 10 minutes we say. So can you draw a scenery within 10 minutes? And Pratik stays in a hostel. Pratik stays in a hostel. Where does he stay? In a hostel. Okay, Nana? So like this we should write the prepositions for the given sentences. So again in the workbook, if we get the examples, we should write the answers for the prepositions also. Let's see the next topic. See children, so after prepositions we have one more grammar topic, that is we have degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. So what is this degrees of comparison? This is, we call it degrees of comparison or degrees of adjectives also. Degrees of adjectives. Already you know adjectives in the parts of speech we have learnt. The word which describes a noun is called adjective, right? So these adjectives we have in the degrees, levels we have. What are those? 3 we have. What are those? One is a positive degree. What is that, ma? One is positive degree. One is positive degree. So what is this positive degree, ma? Positive degree means it is the first and simplest form of adjective. Positive degree is, it is the first and simplest form of adjective. Simplest form of adjective we call it positive degree. First and simplest form. What is that? Suppose if we take it, one example, if I write it, Pratik is a tall boy. Pratik is a tall boy. So, what is describing Pratik here? He is tall. So, what is describing here? Tall is describing Pratik. So, that's why tall is adjective. That is the first and simplest form of adjective is tall. Okay. Next, second model we have comparative degree. Second one we have comparative degree we call it. What is this comparative degree? Comparative degree means it is used to comparison made between two things or two persons, any two. So either two persons or two things if a comparison happened. So that we call it comparative degree. Okay, Nana? So what is that? It is used. It is used when a comparison, when there is a comparison between two persons or things. Between two persons or things. That we can call it comparative degree. Okay, comparative degree. Comparative form. Suppose take the example. Chirag is taller than Pratik. Chirag is taller than Pratik. So here what do we have? We have compared Chirag and Pratik. How? Taller. So here tall is tall boy. Tall is simplest form of the adjective. Taller is comparative form of the adjective. Taller is comparative form of the adjective. Okay, Nana? And see the next one, ma. Next one, superlative degree. Superlative degree. So what is this superlative degree? Actually, superlative degree is used, that is the most, that is used in the most. So that is a degree of highest degree of quality. Highest degree of quality. This is only the utmost one, like this we say. Okay. So when we compare, this is also two things, two people, but this is the highest one, that we use superlative degree. Okay. It is the highest, it is the highest degree of quality. Degree of quality. So superlative degree is the highest degree of quality. Highest degree of quality. It is used to compare. It is used to compare two persons or two things. That is, more than two persons or two things. Two persons means comparative degree, Nana. So more than two persons are two things. More than two persons are two things. So that we can call it comparative, superlative degree. Okay. So suppose see the example. See the example. Pratik is the tallest of all the boys. Pratik is the tallest of all the boys. So what's the answer here? Tallest. Tall, first form or simple form. Taller, comparative, that is from the two. And tallest, here Pratik compare with more than two boys. So all the boys, among all those, who is the tallest? Pratik. So here it is telling about Pratik. At the same time, he is only the most, highest. So that's why this is superlative degree. Okay, ma'am. So tall, taller, tallest. Positive degree is tall. Positive adjective is tall. Comparative form of adjective is taller. Superlative form of adjective is tallest. Already you got this kind of words in the previous classes, right, ma? Yes. And here tallest we use. Some words we get most also. That is beautiful if we get it. More beautiful, most beautiful. Okay. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Some of the words we get more in the comparative degree and most in the superlative degree. When we get more in the comparative, we should not write ER to the word. When we get most in the superlative, we cannot write EST. Okay. Tall, taller, tallest. More clever, cleverer, cleverest. Clever, more cleverest also. More clever, most clever also we have. But most cleverest, more cleverer, we cannot write it, ma. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Or else clever, more clever, most clever. That's it. We cannot write most plus cleverest. Both we cannot write it. Remember that. Almost all the words like this only. Okay. So, some of the words we can write in the superlative degree. In the superlative degree, we can use most. In the superlative degree, In the superlative degree, we use most word before some adjectives, before some kind of adjectives we use most. Okay, Nana. So before superlative degree we use most, before some adjective. Some words we get it most. So what are those? For that we can write it. Suppose Rani is the most beautiful. Rani is the most beautiful girl in the class. Understood, Nana? So some of the words we get it most. Some words we get it est form of the word. Some words we get it most. Okay. So here most beautiful girl in the class. So most beautiful is superlative form of the adjective. Superlative form of the adjective. Okay, Nana? So simple form. Tall, comparative degree taller, superlative degree tallest. Okay, and some words we get it more and most in the comparative and superlative forms. Okay, Nana? So let's do some examples on this. Yes, see these children. So for the degrees, adjectives, degrees of adjectives, simple, comparative and superlative. You should find it now. Now here they have given an exercise on write the correct comparative and superlative degree. So they have given some of the words for the positive degree words, that is the first form of the word. And next comparative and superlative form of the words we should write it, ma. Can you find it? Very easy only. So what are those? So first one, see this, Nana. First I am writing here weak. First one weak they have given. So for this comparative and superlative degree you should write it. Comparative form what? For the weak, weaker. ER form, weaker, and superlative form, weakest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Okay, Nana? And see the next one, ma. Second one, what do we have? Easy, easy. So what can we write for easy? Comparative form for easy is easier, easiest. Very good. Easy, easier, easiest. Good, Nana. And next one, third one, what do we have? Thin. Thin, thin. So for the thin, what can we write? Thin, thinner, thinnest. Thinner, thinnest. Okay. Superlative, comparative and superlative form for this. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Okay. And see the fourth one, ma, what do we have? Big. Big. So for the big, comparative degree, bigger, bigger. And superlative degree, big, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. And see the next word, important. Important. So for this comparative and superlative degree, yes, for this we should add more. Importanter, importantest, no, those are not correct. So here we get it, more important, more important, most important, more important, most important. Okay, Nana? Some words we get more in the comparative and most in the superlative, na? So this is like that. And next one, ma, lucky. Now it's not of your name, but here lucky. Lucky. For this what can we write? Luckier, IER amma. Y changes to IER and here IEST. Luckiest. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. And next one ma, seventh one, useful. Useful, yes. What can we write? More useful. Most useful. More useful. Most useful. Okay, so that is comparative and superlative degree. And see the next one, eighth one, light. L-I-G-H-T, light. Light, lighter. L-I-G-H-T-E-R, lighter. Lightest, L-I-G-H-T-E-S-T. Light, lighter, lightest. Okay, Nana. And see the next word, ma. Next word, what do we have? Yes, famous. Famous. Again, this also we should write it with more and most. More famous in the comparative. More famous. Most famous. Okay, ma. More famous, most famous. And next, 10th one, what do we have? Large. Large. So for this, larger, largest. Larger, largest. And last word, short. Yes, very good. Short, shorter, shortest. Short, shorter, shortest. Yes, ma'am. Have you written all of you? So read this once again. Weak, weaker, weakest. Next, easy, easier, easiest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Big, bigger, biggest. Important, more important, most important. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Useful, more useful, most useful. Light, lighter, lightest. Famous, more famous, most famous. Large, larger, largest. Short, shorter, shortest. Okay, Nana. So like this, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree we get it. Got it, ma? So all of you copy this one and read 2 to 3 times, and next in the sentence also you will get. There you should tell me the answer. Okay, ma? Do it. See children, so the next topic ma, after degrees of comparison, degrees of adjectives exercise, we have next part ma, conversational skills. Yes, all of you know that conversation means talking, discussing, right? 2 members conversation. Here, make a group of 5 students in each. So here, create the group of, here you form the group of 5 students. To each group must contain 5 members ma. And prepare a small skit based on the story. Yes, based on the story, honesty of shoe shine boy, you create another new skit. All of you very well, you know that skits, right? Yes. So prepare that one, and honesty of shoe shine boy and converse in the class. So prepare the small skit on the story honesty of shoe shine boy, and that you can first you prepare the skit and become 2 to 3 groups in the class and prepare it, and in the next time whenever we have time we can play it in the class. Okay, Nana, will you prepare the skit? It should be very informative, it should be very inspirative. Okay, like that you create it, and funny also of course. Understood, Nana? All of you prepare that one. Prepare the skit. Let's see the next topic. See children, so the next topic, last topic in the textbook exercise. So what do we have? Let's listen. So after conversation we have let's listen. What can you listen now? Listen to the words spoken by your teacher. So now I'm going to tell some of the words and try to spell them out correctly. So I'm going to give the words and you should learn the spelling of that. You should speak out the spelling of the words given by me here. Okay, Nana. So learn this one. So what are those? First one, tell me the spelling of struggle. Struggle spelling S-T-R-U-G-G-L-E. What is that, ma? S-T-R-U-G-G-L-E. Struggle. Okay. And see the next one, ma? Briefcase. B-R-I-E-F-C-A-S-E. So briefcase, be careful, brief, B-R-I-E-F-C-A-S-E, briefcase. Okay. And next one, survival. S-U-R-V-I-V-A-L, survival. What is that, ma? Survival. Spelling S-U-R-V-I-V-A-L, survival. Okay, Nana. And next one, steel. S-T-E-A-L. S-T-E-E-L, steel is metal. S-T-E-A-L, steel is to steal something, that is thefting. Okay, so that is steel. S-T-E-A-L, steel. And next one, owner. O-W-N-E-R. Owner. O-W-N-E-R. Owner. And next one, ma? Honest. H-O-N-E-S-T. What is the spelling of honest? H-O-N-E-S-T. Honest. And next one, ma? Inspection. Spelling I-N-S-P-E-C-T-I-O-N. Inspection. I-N-S-P-E-C-T-I-O-N. Inspection. And one more word, ma? Compartment. C-O-M-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T. Compartment. C-O-M-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T. Compartment. Okay, Nana. So total 8 words. What are those? Struggle. Spelling S-T-R-U-G-G-L-E. Struggle. And second word, briefcase. Spelling B-R-I-E-F-C-A-S-E. Briefcase. And next word, survival. Spelling S-U-R-V-I-V-A-L. Survival. And next word, steel. S-T-E-A-L. Steel. Okay, next one, owner. O-W-N-E-R. Owner. And next word, honest. H-O-N-E-S-T. Honest. Next one, ma? Inspection. I-N-S-P-E-C-T-I-O-N. Inspection. And next word, Nana? Compartment. C-O-M-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T. That is compartment. Okay, so these some of the words which you may get some spelling mistakes. So learn these words. Then we can do the workbook grammar. Okay, Nana? Complete this first.